Meaning of discernible.
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 Discernible. The word discernible means something that is clear or apparent and can be perceived or understood. It refers to something that is distinguishable or noticeable in a noticeable way. For example, a discernible difference between two things would be a difference that is easily noticed. Similarly, a discernible pattern would be one that is recognizable and easy to distinguish from other patterns. In essence, something is discernible when it is perceptible and distinguishable from other things.